Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this corn chowder soup, which I love, especially right now that it's cold. So for this I'm going to be using 1 can of the whole kernel corn, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 celery stick, I'm going to chop this up, a little bit of onion, 4 cups of milk, I'm using whole milk. Here I have 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and then 1 potato. I'm also going to use some of this chicken flavor seasoning, as well as salt and pepper to your liking. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter on here, and while that melts, I'm gonna go ahead and chop my celery. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add my onion as well as the celery. Here I'm just stirring very often so that everything can cook evenly. And at this point you guys can go ahead and add your black pepper as well as the salt and your chicken flavor seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix this all together, so again it's all cooking evenly and everything is nice and seasoned. Have to be stirring it occasionally so nothing sticks. And for the all-purpose flour especially, because it will stick fast, if you guys don't want it to be sticking as much, you guys can add a little bit of water or chicken stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it, and you guys can do it little by little, and again stirring frequently because it will stick, and you see it gets very dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water. Just a little bit so that it doesn't stick. It's starting to look like applesauce because of the seasoning. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add more of this. You guys can add more butter as well, but I don't want to add too much butter. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little more water. it's boiled, I brought it down again. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the corn. And lastly, I just go ahead and add the potato. You guys are gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes and then you can go ahead and turn it off. Okay, and that is it for my easy corn chowder soup. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do try it out, please let me know how it turned out for you guys. I hope you guys have a great one. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.